Okay, as promised, we will be talking about string methods right now. Okay, so there are common string methods. Let's start with something like print. You can ignore this. Print Simran Nkumari. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just put a dot and make it lower. Okay, and put these brackets and try to run this. Okay, have a look. Everything is now in small. Now let's try doing something that is not lower. Now I'll try to play with upper. Okay, so now this is another function. See, now everything is now in the caps. Now let's try out a sentence. Try to split it up. Okay, so I'll just copy this and I'll simply paste this over here. And what I want to convert this into the list. Okay, so this should look something like Simran, comma, Kumari, comma, is, comma, showing, comma, Python, comma, example. Okay, so now what do we need to do? How do we need to do this? There is a function. There is a function which is known as split. Okay, so what does this function do? It splits it. Splits what? Splits the words into list. How we'll do that? It's very straight and simple. We will just write down str dot split. How do you want to split it? Let's not talk about that. First, let's try printing this and print and it is str1. So yes, let me just quickly run this. Have a look. This is the list of words. Now let me store this in a variable like a. Okay. Now what is this? A is the this list. Now what do we want? We want to again join them. All right. So if you want to join them, what do we need to do? There is another function which is known as dot join. Okay. So you can simply just do something like what do you need to join? You need to join it with space, and then you can just simply join. What do you need to join? You need to join a. That means this is how it should be. And let's just quickly print this up. And let's see if it works. Yes, it does. That means I can just print a over here. Print a. Okay. And now I'll just simply run this. So you see, a was a list and now it's not a list anymore. This is how you do it. So there are a few more string methods like find, replace. So you can all work with those, have a look, try to figure out how many functions you can see, try, play, observe, everything. All right. So yeah. These were the few things that you really had to know about strings. Okay. Next, we would be learning about few more things. That is arrays. Okay. We would be learning about arrays. And there is a very different and a new concept which we talk about when we talk about arrays. So it's easy, it's not that tough, but I'm sure if you are not from a coding background, you might have not heard about this term. So be prepared for the next topic, that is arrays. All right. Till then, keep practicing. Have a great day and do comment down if you have any questions or queries. Thank you so much. Have a good day.